5 easy tricks to stay calm in a stressful situation. Being able to keep level-headed in a stressful situation is an incredibly powerful gift. This is what will allow you to best deal with the situation, and it is what will help you to rise to a position of leadership within any given group. The only problem? We are biologically hardwired in a way that makes this very difficult. Our bodies react to stressful situations by releasing hormones and neurotransmitters designed to get our hearts racing and our blood pumping. This makes it very hard indeed for us to remain calm. Here are 5 things you can do to overcome that urge. Detach yourself. One great way to remain calm and to make sure you act sensibly is to try and detach yourself from the situation. By this, I mean that you effectively remove your personal stake in the situation by asking not what you should do, but what a person should do. Try to judge the situation objectively and in a removed manner. Breathe. Breathing more deeply and more slowly will bring into action your rest and digest state through the parasympathetic nervous system, and it will counteract some of the physiological changes going on in your body right now. Ask yourself the best scenario. Having a clear goal can often help you in a high-stress situation. Instead of floundering, first, task yourself with asking what the best outcome you could achieve is. Then, take steps to help yourself get to that point. Accept failure. Another thing to do is to accept the possibility of failure and be okay with it. Be okay with being hurt, with making matters worse, or with being shouted at. Very often in a stressful situation, we find ourselves so worried about potentially making matters worse or making ourselves responsible that we end up frozen in indecision. Pick a decision and act on it. So, with that in mind, the final thing to do is simply to take these matters into your own hands. That means acting on whatever it is you have decided to do, and it means not spending any more time considering the possibilities. Our anxiety actually comes from picturing events and specifically picturing the worst-case scenarios. As far as our biology is concerned, this makes it as though the worst-case scenarios were happening. So, instead of thinking, just act.